This is number 9 from 5.2, Math 126, OE1. A chemist has 3 different acid solutions. The first acid solution contains 15% acid, so as I wrote here first, I'm going to call that one A. The second has 25% acid. I wrote that second, I'm going to call that B. And the third one has 70% acid, so I'm going to call that C. It says he wants to use all 3 solutions to obtain a mixture of 48 liters. So A plus B plus C is 48. That's where I got that first one here. That's that first equation that relates all 3 variables. And it says using 2 times as much of the 70% acid solution as the 25%. So I said C is going to be twice whatever B was. That's our second equation. And then it says, but it's going to be a 50% solution. So that clue allows us to come up with a third equation. So 15% of the A is that's how much acid is producing. 25% of B, that's how much acid is there. And then 70% or 0.7 C, that's how much acid is there, equals a 50% solution. So it's 48 liters and 50% of that, so it's 0.5 times 48. So we end up with 15A, 0.15A plus 0.25B plus 0.7C equals 24. And again, I don't like dealing with decimals, so I'm just going to clean it up by multiplying everything by 100. So I have 15A plus 25B plus 70C equals 2400. So what I'm going to do is eliminate the C variable because I have C equals 2B. I can eliminate that from 2 equations. So on my A plus B plus C equals 48, I'm going to say A plus B plus 2B, or not 2B, equals 48. Or A plus 3B equals 48. And then we have the 15A plus 25B plus 70C. So instead of the C, I'll write another 2B because C is equal to 2 times whatever B is, equals our 2400. So we end up with 15A plus, so it's 25B plus 70 times 2. So 70 times 2 is 140 plus 25 is 165B equals 2400. So now if you look at this equation or this equation, there are 2 variables, 2 unknowns, so that's the same thing, and 2 equations. So we can solve this because they're not multiples of each other. So why don't we multiply the first one by negative 15. So negative 15 times the quantity A plus 3B is negative 15 times 48. So that's going to give us negative 15A minus 45B equals, let me get out my handy dandy calculator, and we'll have negative 15 times 48. I have negative 720. And then the other equation I had was 15A plus 165B equals 2400. So now we can eliminate the A out of there. And what do we have left? Looks like it's a 120B equals 1680. So we can divide by 120. And B would equal 14. Oh, that's nice. Now, we know C is 2 times B. So that's going to be 2 times 14. So it's 28. Okay, 28 liters. And then we know from the first one up here, A plus B plus C is 48. So we have A plus B plus C equals 48. So A plus 14 plus 28 is 48. So A plus what? (42) equals 48. Subtracting 42, A must equal 6 liters. So it's 6 liters of the 15%. It's 14 liters of the 25% and 28 liters of the 70%. And that's it.